Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi ja'alana ummatan wasata wa akramana bil ibadati wal ilmi wat taqwa. Wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil mustafa wa ala alihi wa ashabihi dawil fadli wal huda. Wa qala Allah ta'ala fil Qur'anil Karim wa huwa asdaqul qailin. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa ma arsalnaka illa rahmatan lil alamin. Shadaqallahul azim. The International Conference on Islamic Studies, ICIS, is an annual conference organized by the Faculty of Adab and Humanities of Universitas Islam Negeri Araniri, Banda Aceh, Indonesia, with the theme World Academic. I am Professor Dr. Warul Walidin AKMA, Director of WIN Araniri, conveyed my remark and appreciation for the conference which will be held from October 4 to 5, 2021, with the theme Islam and Sustainable Development. Hopefully, this conference can contribute bright and academic ideas in Islamic civilization, rahmatan lil alamin, throughout the world and in this our beloved homeland in particular. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah, waridha wal inayah, wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thariq. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.